So good evening, everyone. Myself, Ajay Mishra, and I'm going to be your host today for this event, which is सफर मंजिलों का. तो सफर मंजिलों के बारे में फर्स्ट जो हमने किया था उसके अंदर everybody would have seen that this is all about your story. ये आप लोगों की कहानी है, किस तरह से आप लोगों ने विपरीत परिस्थितियों में बहुत अच्छा योगदान दिया है ना, आप लोग उभर करके आए हैं. यू हैव मेड अ डिफरेंस. So this is all about you people who have made the difference. And आज हमारे साथ में ऐसे 3 हमारे फ्रेंचाइजीज हैं जिन्होंने इवन ड्यूरिंग दिस कोविड टाइम जितने भी बुरे हालात रहे होंगे एंड इवन विद इन अ वेरी शॉर्ट पीरियड ऑफ टाइम ये लोगों ने बहुत कुछ अचीव किया है. और ये लोग अलग अलग डाइवर्स फील्ड से आते हैं. इनमें से कोई भी सोलर से शायद दूर दूर तक ताल्लुक पहले कभी रखता नहीं था. उन सबके लिए नया नया सोलर था. एंड देन उन सब ने उस नई फील्ड को अपनाया और ऐसे अपनाया कि वो उनकी ही होकर के रहेगी. फिर उसके बाद में शायद उन्होंने अभी मुझे लगता है इन तीनों में से या फिर ऐसे बहुत सारे और होंगे जिन्होंने एक बार सोलर में आ गए शायद वो वापस कहीं और जाने का सोचेंगे भी नहीं. तो हर एक के लिए वो पहली बार थोड़ा अलग रहा होगा. थोड़ा सा आगे जाए या पीछे आए, आगे जाए या पीछे आए, पर एक बार जो बढ़ गए वो ऐसे बढ़े हैं कि उनको पीछे मुड़ के देखने की जरूरत नहीं है. फिर चाहे वो कीर्तन जी हो, चाहे हमारे अमित खुराना जी हो या रॉबिन जी हो, all of them have, it has been a second or third profession for them, wherein it was not their first choice. The second or third thing that they wanted to do, they explored it and they did it wonderfully well. So without stopping ahead, okay, and without taking much of your time, मुझे एक चीज समझ में आती है ऐसी कि जो इंसान की बुद्धि होती है, जो उसका ज्ञान होता है ना, वो उसके साथ हमेशा रहता है. और उसी बुद्धि, उसी ज्ञान, उसी विवेक की जो है ना लोग पूजा करते हैं. तो संस्कृत की एक छोटी सी श्लोक है, कहावत है, जिससे मैं शुरुआत करना चाहूंगा. कहते हैं स्वदेशे पूज्यते राजा, स्वदेशे पूज्यते राजा, विद्वान सर्वत्र पूज्यते. तो जो राजा होता है ना उसकी पूजा केवल उसके राज्य में होती है, लेकिन जो विद्वान व्यक्ति होता है ना उसकी पूजा पूरे ब्रह्मांड में होती है. तो जो इंसान अपनी बुद्धि, अपनी विवेक से काम लेता है, जो उसका भरपूर प्रयोग करता है, वही इंसान कुछ भी कर सकता है. क्योंकि वो मैंने पिछले वाले में बताया था कि ये एक ऐसी चीज है, ऐसा धन है जिसको ना कोई चुरा सकता है, ना कोई बांट सकता है, ना कोई उस पर टैक्स लगा सकता है, और ना वो भारी होती कि उठा के घूमना पड़े आपको. वो आप ही के साथ रहता है. उसमें वो किसी की जागीर नहीं होती, वो सिर्फ आपके साथ रहती है.
I'm Robin. I run the company by name Premium Renewables. We are based out of the central region of Kerala. Am I audible clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, we're based out of the central region in Kerala. And with Wari, my association has been now just completed 2.5 years now, going to the third successful year with Wari. It's been my second restart and going on quite well with everybody's coordination.
Okay. So Robin sir, it's been 2.5 years with Wari. How has been your journey like, so far?
So far, the journey, it was, I started the journey with Wari by choice in Kerala.
Okay.
And so far the journey has been very impressive, commendable rather, and has got us good recognition in the market. And we have also ensured that not to leave any stone unturned to penetrate this particular market. And we strongly always believe, I always used to tell your senior team members that I strongly believe in growing along with the leader. And so that's all we identified one of the most trustable brand. And so is our journey ongoing.
Oh, great, sir. Great, sir.
I always wanted to be in a part of a sunrise industry, which is having a more of a greener angle, which even contributes either directly or indirectly to society. And so in the pursuit of that is what I went, look forward for a renewable side. And that's when I came to a business which is which is a solar business, which I found to be more lucrative in its making and also very sustainable and perpetual.
So it has been good for you so far?
Very impressive, and very happy and confident that there is a long way forward.
How did you cope up with things, and what were the challenges that you faced and how you were able to do it? Robin, sir, this is a question for you.
Yeah, in fact, pandemic definitely was a challenge. It was a challenge for us, difficult to go through it. But anyways, we never gave it up. We kept up the momentum. My boys have been frequently interacting with my prospect, myself, and my entire team were in line with a common objective. We had this opportunity to learn and unlearn a lot of things from the sessions, online sessions, and we were also very much closely. We had the opportunity to talk to all the all our prospects more closely than on a regular basis when we are quite busy, even to have a short interaction. So we would understand the pain points. And of course, my entire team back at the office, they were supportive and in line with them, and that helped us to open up after the pandemic to be to cater to their customer expectation. I mean, say customer or my immediate prospects expectation at a very reasonable way. So I think one way pandemic was bad, but another way it was a disguise for us. We could unlearn and relearn a lot of things, and we could know the customers better. And now it has brought up a better market for us.
Great, sir. So, sir, I have heard that you are a very tech-savvy person. Is it true? Jaisa jawab chahti
hai. I think that the person who has been interacting would be. I would definitely like to know whatever the product I am selling. I would like to know the inner details rather than just because we believe more in a consultative mode of selling. I don't just sell the product as it is. Because when even my boys are also been trained, I personally train my boys to ensure that they meet the customer's expectation. And of course, I'm very happy that very frequently we have new innovations, new products coming out from Waaree, wherein we get to learn things better, and we are at par with
I believe you were the first one. You were the first one who implemented CRM in our franchisee level. Somebody told me that.
Absolutely.
We are the first guys who implemented a CRM. So what was the thought that made you implement it? So I wanted to know that. And this would be a learning for all of us that how it has helped you over a period of time.
No, initially, when I started off in 2019, the business, we had this huge list of customers. We were trying to find out from where all the customers, and it is all my boys were writing it in piece of papers, doing it, and God knows where they were. And then I decided that we need to have some in-house CRM, more of a Salesforce kind of thing, wherein on a daily basis all the data has been, and we developed it in-house. Because I have a team of people. Being from a software background, we had my own team of people to help us develop that. We took 6 to 8 months, and the CRM is end-to-end. It's not only at even from starting from the quotations itself, and when the vehicle from Waaree comes in, and all the data has also been entered, including the scanning of the barcodes. Everything has been taken. We have tried our best to automate it. It's not completely done. We need a few more months to get it automated. Right. The CRM implementation has helped a lot to know the timely feedback and follow-ups to be done. And I ensure the turnaround time is kept minimal. That's what the customer expects. Keep the minimum turnaround time. Any
thought for the day, or any thought that keeps you driving, like koi thought or something that you keep reiterating over a period of time?
I always have one mantra in my market. What I always follow, as I ensure that my customer gets benefited by me and from me. The only thing that we commonly follow, and the same thing with my boys also say. I tell my team also that never compete with my own customers, because I do sell. I have a great brand with me. That does not mean that I can the integrators who buy from me can also, I can either compete with the same end customer. So I ensure if there is a competition, I just let it go. That I ensure that my first round immediate customer is benefited, and they are benefited. In turn, they give the returns back to me in the long run. We are also known by name. So I always, whenever I meet your senior management team, also say, I would like to grow along with you. And that's why I have chosen my path in solar with you.
Great, sir. And thank you all. Thanks for such a wonderful evening. And it was a great learning for me. Thank you, everybody.
Thank you so much, Ajay. Thank you so much.